19 millimeter, 14 millimeter here, and a 14 millimeter right here at the bottom of the caliper. Pull both of those out. Now you can pull the caliper off, and you can actually just roll it back here and set it on top of the axle. Just like that. Bracket has two 17s holding it on, one here and one up here. You're gonna want to pull those out. Now you can pull the caliper bracket right off, and you'll notice that there's a squeaker on the bottom of each pad. There's a hole right here and right here to thread in an M8 by 1.25 bolt, and threading 2 bolts in will actually pull the rotor right off. Now you can load up your caliper bracket, throw it back on. Of course, put your two 17 millimeters back into your bracket. Now compress your pistons back into your caliper with your preferred method. I like to use channel lock pliers and an old brake pad to hold both pistons down. And now you just squeeze the channel lock pliers and the pistons will compress. With the caliper back in place, now you can put your two 14 millimeter bolts back into their homes. And the wheel goes back on, and then be sure to pump the brake pedal before you drive away.